Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume button function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the shooting methods section, and here you have press volume key 2. You can change this function to take picture or record video, zoom in or out, or just control system volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.